Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. These laws are crucial in our lives because power is a game, a social game. By understanding people and following these laws, we can influence those around us and achieve our goals. Let's explore some of the most important laws. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Make those above you feel superior and hide your talents. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Friends can betray, but former enemies prove trustworthy. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Silence makes others uncomfortable and gives you power. Law 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Use their wisdom to appear efficient. Law 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Lure opponents in and attack. Law 9. Win through your actions, never through argument. Let your actions speak for you. Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Make others need and want you. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Create scarcity to increase your value. Law 17. Keep others in suspended terror. Act unpredictably to tire opponents. Law 19. Know who you're dealing with, don't offend the wrong person. Choose opponents wisely. Law 22. Use the surrender tactic. Surrender strategically to gain power. Law 28. Interaction with boldness. Act boldly to earn admiration. Law 29. Plan all the way to the end. Think through every possibility. Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Carry yourself with self-respect and confidence. Law 40. Despise the free lunch. Don't trust anything that comes for free. Law 42. Strike the shepherd, and the sheep will scatter. Root out troublemakers to stop their influence. These laws are powerful tools for success. So let's master the game of power and achieve greatness together.